Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of array in C programming and it is part 7. So guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss two-dimensional array. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss this two-dimensional array. So guys, the two-dimensional array can be defined as an array of arrays, and 2D array is organized as matrices which can be represented as the collection of rows and columns. Data in two-dimensional arrays are stored in tabular form in row measure order. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of two-dimensional array. So guys, here it is the syntax of two-dimensional array. So first of all, we will use data type and then matrix name, and then in square brackets we will use rows and columns. So let's take an example to declare a two-dimensional array or matrix. So guys, I have declared an integer two-dimensional array M of 3 cross 3. So there will be 3 rows and 3 columns. The first element will be stored at 0 0 index, and the second element will be stored at 0 1, and the third element will be stored at 0 2, and so on. So guys, the numbers in green are elements, whereas the numbers in black are indexes in this matrix. So guys, let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler where I will show you how do I enter elements in two-dimensional array or matrix and print them later in the form of matrix. So guys, in this program I will show you how do I enter elements in the two-dimensional array or matrix and print them in the form of matrix. So I have declared an integer two-dimensional array or matrix M of size 3 cross 3. So there will be 3 rows and 3 columns. And guys, I am going to use 2 loops in this program because one loop will work for rows and another loop will work for columns. So first of all, I am going to take input from the user for this matrix M by using scanf function. Initially, when the value of I is 0, then it will check this condition. So 0 less than 3 and this condition is true, then it will go to this loop. So j equals to 0, 0 less than 3. So this condition will also be true. Then the first element will be stored at M00. The second element will be stored at 01, and the third element will be stored at 02, and so on. After that, I am going to print each element from this matrix M by using this printf function. So initially, when the value of I is 0 and 0 less than 3, this condition is true, then it will go to this for loop. So j equals to 0, 0 less than 3, so this condition is true, then it will print element at M00, and then j++ will be executed. So the value of j will be 1, and then it will check this condition. So 1 less than 3 and condition will be true, then it will print M01, and then j++ will be executed. The value of j will be 2 and 2 less than 3, so this condition will be true, and then it will print M02. After that, j++ will be executed, so the j will be 3 and 3 less than 3. So now this condition is false, so control will come out from this j loop, and then it will execute this printf statement, and in this statement I am using \n, so the next row will be printed in the next row. So guys, now if I run this program, it is requesting to enter 9 values in this matrix M. So let me enter the values in matrix M. So output will be like this. So guys, it is printing each element from the matrix M. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So guys, this is the way by which we can enter values in matrix M and print them in the form of matrix. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.